Hey guys, welcome to the Studentship YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare student stew with just few ingredients. You can see the ingredients here. We'll be needing onion, then our palm oil. We're not going to be using groundnut oil, we'll be making it with our palm oil. Then sometimes you don't have money to afford fresh pepper, so you can actually use your grounded pepper. Then we'll be using a tomato paste, then with our crayfish and mangi, then salt. So the first thing you do is to prepare your pepper and your onion. So we'll be preparing our pepper and onion by blending it. So we are done blending our pepper and onion. Well, if you don't have access to fresh pepper, you can actually use blended pepper. So I already have my fresh pepper, so I will not be needing this blended pepper. But if you are the pepper type, you can actually use both of them and to make the food more spicy. So the next thing you do is to turn your pepper on a bowl. Alright, so I think it's up to 10 to 15 minutes now. So our stew is ready, although not fully ready. We still need to add our salt. And if you are using egg, you add your eggs now. But if you don't have eggs to use, you can actually leave it like that. As we say, like it's the student stew, so students don't have money to. You add little quantity of salt. Don't need much salt inside. Then after that, you turn. You whisk, add little water to the egg, and you whisk it. And another thing, if you want to add your curry, you can actually add it now. also. Add little quantity of your curry powder, then mix it, then you add your egg. Alright, our food is ready. So you have it, your egg stew. You can actually use your rice or your spaghetti or yam to eat it. So that's that for how to prepare egg stew.